Alright, today I'm going to be showing how to work with gas magazines that take propane or green gas. And especially when you use propane, I'm going to show how to like lube everything up the right way, because that's what I use. And CO2 magazines, they don't really need much. You can just spread like something like this in there. I got this off of e-bike like probably like 2 years ago. Still got a little bit left. So I'm gonna be taking magazines apart. This one got gas in it, but I'm gonna like dump that gas or just use a different magazine. For example, so I'm gonna do this one first. So it's my Kennick TP9. Just take it off like right there. And put it off on camera. And it's pretty simple. You just gotta get the, you don't need to have like no special tools for it or nothing. Just to fill up, we'll do it like this probably. I'm gonna use a bigger one instead, like this. And you just spray inside and make sure everything is closed tightly so you don't get no gas leakage. Problem is, well, my other magazines, I gotta get more. These valves tend to break a lot. You have to get like 3 more, 4. I just haven't got them yet, but that's what tends to happen a lot with these type of magazines for me personally. You know, my CO2 magazines, they're perfectly fine. I don't have to do much to them at all, but I'm gonna take this apart. All right, so I'm gonna start with the Kennick mag. Okay, it's looking a little wet in there. Most likely just propane. Yeah, it smells like straight propane. I do smell a little bit of silicone gas in there, but it's time for me to put more in there anyways. Got some of this. Using the spray in there. Then I like the nozzle part, I like to let it get in there too. And then I like to spray this part as well. Just do it like this. Okay. That's all what you really need to do for real. And you're gonna put it back together. Just let it stick right here like that. Nothing too hard to do. But you wouldn't have to do this if you was just using like normal green gas. Well, you probably still would, I don't know. I haven't used green gas in a while. I think it go like this. Yep. You just want to line the stuff back up. I think with the Kennick, the hardest part is getting this O-ring right, because it's so thin. It will move almost anywhere. I'm gonna try to line that one off camera real quick. I got that real tight. I can't tell if it's leaking or not. You know, maybe it might be the in this piece. I think I gotta tighten this part up some more. I think it's just that. Yeah, I could tell if depending on how the gun sound. Okay. Make sure. Well, let me just test it on here. Cause this is my Glock Mag Elite Force, and it's never give me no issues. Yeah, just the this piece. It likes it. I don't know. It tends to just like not sitting there properly. It's probably getting worn down. That's why. Wait, I don't know if this is loaded or not. Okay, it's not. Okay, so this is cool now. I'll probably just run a magazine of it after. Well, I did notice with propane, it doesn't have the best PSI because I could tell guns do be a little sluggish. That's why I wanted to get like a hose thing and still get some more green gas. But I still want to get like a hose connected to the magazine so I could just have unlimited gas inside. Now I'll solve that. But this one is cool. I'm just doing this one just because to show that it's not hard at all. Oh, I forgot how this one go. This one has 3 screws instead. And you know the thing is right there. Yeah, I forget how long this spring is, but oh no, it has the same O-ring, but you know it shows you where it's like it belongs at. But this one cool, so I'm gonna just simply just do that and that. I'm gonna throw it right back on. I did see a video, but I'm not sure if that it goes with airsoft, but it was showing like how to fill your propane tank with another, like a bigger reservoir thing of it. You just have to like freeze it, so because they can't be like same room temperature or something weird like that. I was wondering if that would work with the magazines as well, which I will try in this video just to see. I'm just kind of curious. The video I saw was on YouTube. It was really old though, but I will try that. I'm just curious to see if I get a better amount of gas in here than before in this room temperature. Okay. Alright, so I gotta fill back up. I have put a little bit of silicone grease on the O-ring. And I did it tight enough to where I could see it come out a little bit. And that worked perfectly. Put some gas in already. Okay, so it's cool. I didn't put a whole bunch. I'm going to do a little bit right now. Yeah. And now I just do a magazine test with that one later. I did put my other one in a freezer to see, and it's completely cold. You can see a little bit of ice forming. And that was just like a few minutes. There's no gas in there. Now I'm gonna put some gas in there. Yeah, I can feel the gas coming out from this part. I gotta fix that. Yeah. Trying to make sure I don't hear no leaks. I don't. Okay, it still is losing a little bit of gas, but it has a little bit more power to it. I don't really think that works. Oh, I don't think that applies to magazines. Okay. There's a little more power to it, but I just gotta get some green gas. You know, I used to have some green gas that was 130 psi, and it was perfect. Like, I think it was Swiss Arms who made it. Yeah, that was like my favorite. It did what it was supposed to do. I don't even know the psi on this, but I doubt it's a lot. But I ain't gonna be worried about it, because I've barely even used my gas ones that much anyway. So I more so use my CZ, which is CO2, and it's always accurate and always feel the same amount of power from it. But now I'm gonna do the magazine test in a second. All right, so I'm just doing both at the same time, because I already know they're not gonna last long. So I just put like a few BBs in there just to test them both out. Get this one out already. Definitely get some green gas, and that's not going to solve the problem. I don't know what will. Probably a better valve. I don't know. But that's pretty much it. When I used to do this, when I had green gas, it worked effectively for me. So I just feel like now, since I've been using propane for like a long time now, about probably almost 2 years, magazines is like, they're not as the same as they was before. But I'm gonna definitely get some green gas, probably like this month or next month, just to keep, like, just to try it out, and try to get like the highest PSI I can, so I can do like some like good full auto videos with this and my other gun I got, because that higher pressure is really helpful. And it gives you a lot of recoil too, but you don't want to have too much to blow, like the blowback unit or nothing like that. But that's pretty much it.